Now guys, I'm gonna teach you a technique to improve your skills on AutoCAD. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use a tool on AutoCAD that instead you're gonna use the type the command aliases on AutoCAD. You can edit it or assign it to another alias. For example, each command has its own alias. So, for example, if you have to draw a line, type L. So there's a line. So if I want to determine its dimension, so personally it's kind of hassle for me that I have to use my both hands to type its alias dimension, which is DIM. So it takes time to type DIM, and it's kind of annoying that you need to let go of your right hand from the mouse just to type those letters. So my point is, I want to teach you how to assign, instead of those aliases, I want to edit this as numbers, so that I can make it more easier to assign. And so go to Express Tools, and then you can find there this button, command aliases. So you need to click this one, so this shows up. So let's take this as a example. So the most basic commands used in AutoCAD is to draw a line, to copy, to move, and then to trim, to offset. So let's take that as example, 5 examples to assign numbers for those commands. So just click add, and then so just type here in this box which what alias you want to change from the AutoCAD command. So I want to use 1 for line, so click here and then type line, click this one, and then okay, so it added. And then second, let's add another one. Let's type 2. Let's set this as offset. Okay, and then let's add another one for alias 3. So let's say I'll assign this as for dimension, so DIM. So click this one and then okay, and then let's add another one for let's say copy, and then lastly 5 for move. Then click OK. So click apply, click yes, okay, and then click OK again, and then there you go. So first I'll delete this one. So now if I want to draw a line, instead I'll type L. All I need to do is relax my arms from left arm, and then click 1, type 1, and then there you go, enter. Then I can draw a line. So remember that I assigned letter number 3 as for the dimension, so just type 3 for dimension, then you can see that, and then there you go, I have a dimension. So it's kinda easier and then more reliable. Then if I want to copy this one, so remember I used number 4 for copy, so enter, copy this object. So see, copy. And then if I want to move this one, all these objects, I'm just gonna type 5 for move, then okay. And then if I want to offset this one, I have just to type 2. So, and then let's say 1, distance of 1, and then there. So it's all very easy. You don't need to type dim just to determine these dimensions. So let's add another command, which is trim. So let's go to command aliases and then add. Let's say this is number 6 for trim, and type trim, and okay, and then apply, yes, okay, and then okay again. There you go. So it's very annoying that you have to type trim just to trim some lines, right? Like this one. So if I have to trim this, I really need to type trim for the trim command. So instead, I assign number 6 trim. There you go. And then very easy. Another suggestion is instead of using the enter button, you just have to use the space bar, because it's kind of more convenient than to use enter, because you need to exert movement from your left hand just to click the enter button. So you just need to click the space bar. And then another technique is when you're using your space bar, from one command, space bar, and then space again. If you click again the space bar, it will automatically use the previous command you used. So if I click the space bar again, then I can draw a line in the space bar again, line. So if I'll delete this one, E, or delete or erase space bar. So if I have to specify this object and then delete this, I just need to click the space bar again. So you don't need to do this like delete E and then type E again. You can do that E and then space bar. So that's it. So that's it. It's kinda pretty easy to follow. So thank you.